Okay, so in this video, I will tell you about how I draw a particular character in Photoshop. So there will be almost or no theory and maximum of practical, right? So let's go. Hello and welcome to Digital Pastel. My name is Abhik Basu, and in this channel I share my experience regarding cartooning and illustration. In this video I will tell you about how I draw a particular character in Photoshop. So starting with sketching, then coloring, after that shading, and then the final touches. Okay, so those of you who want to do it traditionally with pencil and paper, you should make the sketch very light initially and then apply the colors and shades so that the sketch is not visible at all. So let's go. Okay, so I have started the sketch. This is the head of the character, right? Now as I'm drawing digitally, I'll be drawing in different layers, but people who are drawing traditionally on paper with pencil, they have to do the sketch very lightly so that when they are doing the coloring part, that time the sketch should not be visible. Okay, so this is a sly character, or you can say a spy. He has heard some news or some information and is slowly and steadily going out, right? So in this video you will be watching more and I'll talk less, right? Okay, so this is the basic sketch. Now I'll start with the coloring part. Now my style is, I normally do the outer border or the outer part and then I do the inside part, as you can see. Now you may think that how I am drawing so fast, how I am coloring so fast. So this is actually what I have done is I have sped up the process. Okay, I have increased the speed. This is basically a speed painting, you can say, right? Okay, so this is the coloring part. Now those who are doing or will be doing digitally, coloring is normally done in a separate layer, and I prefer to do that on a layer below the sketch so that I can watch the lines, I can see the lines. Okay, now the facial part. Now, as you can see, I have done the outer border first and then I am doing the inside of the face. Okay, this helps me. I've changed the background because now I'll be coloring the teeth and the eyes. They are white, so on a white background it becomes difficult to notice. Now I am doing the shading. Okay, now the shading is again done on a separate layer if you are using Photoshop. Okay, so here as you can guess that the right hand side is a lighter area and the left hand side is a darker area. So there is shadow on the left. Now I am adding some highlights. There is a little bit of shiny part. Okay, from the right side Now the trousers, same idea, the shadow is on the left side, the area which is away from the light, and a little bit of highlight on the side which is there towards the light. Now the shoes. Now the face. Normally the shadow color is a bit darker tone of the same color. For example, the darker shadow is the same color from the face. Okay, so the shadow of the hair, I've tried to make it purposely like this because he is looking like a devil. Okay, now I'm drawing some lines or the outlines that will be on another layer, the topmost layer, right? This is just to make it visible. It is used as a highlight. Okay. And now I am erasing the parts which are not exactly required. Okay, make it much smoother. Now I am adding this dark background because on the left hand side, because he is going from lighter area to a darker area. Okay, so that is about it. Now see, this character is spying and he is going to some darker place. Okay. Okay, so that was about drawing a particular character in Photoshop. So that's a style which I follow, but you can follow your own style if you want, right? If you think this is not the correct way, you can always use your own way. Okay, so if you want me to show drawing tutorial of any other character, you can always tell me in the comments. Hope you have liked the video. If yes, then click on the like button, share with friends, write your comments. And if you have not subscribed till now, you should always subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get the notification right whenever there is a new video. So that's it for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.